So this is Vijay Kumar Gangaraju, founder and technical director for Arcedo Systems. So we started our organization in 2016. So we have done quite a few, almost 300 megawatt of solar power plants in India and Saudi Arabia and USA. We are into floating solar projects, rooftop projects, and battery energy storage systems and fuel cells. So we incorporated with quite a few corporate grinds like Infosys, Microsoft, Capgemini, Virtusa, Greenco, and all. So our company is based out of Hyderabad. It's in Kompally, and we have branch office in Bangalore, Chennai, and Pune, and we have one more branch office in UAE and USA also. Till date, we have done 300 megawatt projects, and altogether from 2016 to till now. Uh, like floating solar we have done battery energy storage systems, and currently we are doing an R&D with on fuel cells on hydrogen. See, we are in collaboration with CII from last 3 years, and last year we are one of the best awardee for ground mount solar projects and in the CII sector, and we are in good collaboration with them. Thank you.